The Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro images of the two have been leaked online as a TikTok user shared a hands-on review video of the phone lineup. Design and display. Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro are designed in a sleek, modern manner. Xiaomi is expected to deliver new Xiaomi T-series smartphones later this month. A listing on Shopee Philippines has revealed Xiaomi's plans to launch new products on September 26. Xiaomi 14T has been spotted on Geekbench with the model number 2406 APFAG. On Geekbench, the Xiaomi 14T scored 4,389 points in the single-core test and 15,043 points in the multi-core test. It will come with 12 GB of RAM and run Android 14 out of the box. Xiaomi 14T feature a 6.67-inch 120Hz 1.5K resolution OLED display. The Xiaomi 14T will get a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 14T Pro is a 5,000 mAh battery with 67W charging support. Xiaomi 14T price also leaks. 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage will go for €649. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.